Alright, hello. On the last episode that I waited way too long to post, we collected honey. Now with that chore of the year taken care of, the next thing is to take care of any varroa mite issues that may be developing. As a treatment option, we are choosing the Mite quick strips, which are formic acid. I will show you the acid strips, the ventilators that we have, the eye protection, and the gloves shortly. But it's important at this particular time, just after the honey supers have been raided, to go out and make sure that you treat for varroa if you're in an area, or if bees are hard to come by. If you want to keep your bees until spring, this is one way. It's a little bit of insurance to make sure that the varroa don't take over and kill your hives in the midwinter. Varroa will kick into high gear in the beginning of spring, so if we can knock their levels down as far as we can right now, our bees will go into winter healthy and relatively mite-free. Varroa mites are a plague of the modern era, so you just have to learn how to treat them, just like measles, just like smallpox, just like wood ticks. There are things you can do to avoid them, things that you can do to minimize them, and we're going to try one of those things today. It's a good sunny day. Alright, so what we have are essential tools. We have a set of scissors. We have the Mite quick strips themselves. We read all of the instructions on the box carefully, and now the instructions are lying underneath the chair there. We have...
So this is the instructions for your chair.
Those are the instructions for my chair. Well, the instructions are somewhere around here. We have ventilators. We have rubber gloves. We have eye protection. We are doing this safely and sanely, because that is the only way to be handling acid in the middle of a Wednesday afternoon. All right, next, on to Hive A. All right, this is Hive A, and as some of you may remember, this particular hive we did not harvest honey from it. So, I don't even need to lift the top on this one, or lift the inner lid, because I'm not interested in the inner lid. I'm not interested in checking the bees. I'm interested in getting into the bottom level. So, here we go.
Okay, so cut it across with this?
Cut it across. And Teresa is and cut it up the dotted line. Open it up, and there should be 2 individual strips.
Yep.
Okay, one will go here.
So take it out of the plastic.
Take it out of the plastic.
Okay. All right. So one goes
here.
okay
Towards the center.
this way.
No, that's fine. The way you had it there.
All right.
And the other one
There.
towards the other side.
Like this.
Move it that way. I can't touch it. Thank you. That's it.
Okay.
That's how they go.
All right.
And we leave the paper on.
Okay.
The formic acid is impregnated in a gel. I have, for this, taken the entrance reducer off. And that's it. We'll leave them for a week. And you make sure that the entrance reducer is wide open so that they can breathe. And now we're going to go on to...
7 more times!
We're going to do it 7 more times. So I am going to just point this down here because it is very much a rinse and repeat situation. Okay, there. Now it sits for 1 week, and 1 week we do nothing to them, we don't feed them, we don't clothe them, we don't take them for walks, we certainly don't rent any movies for them, because nobody does that anymore. So, yeah. Now, on to Wonderland, where we hope the Red Queen has set up fort.